We sell a bit of everything here at the garage, and this is another unbelievable example of a little sporty hatchback Ford Fiesta ST-3. Now, I've just done some research. This car is so desirable. As soon as they go online on Auto Trader, they just sell instantly. The rating for this car is massive. Now, this isn't just your standard ST3, it's been specced unbelievably well. It's a 2019, it's a 3 anyway, so it gives you high spec. But look at it, the colour's called Silver Fox, which for me, it's the best little Fiesta I've seen, it is. It's got the panoramic roof, it's got the Recaro seats, it's got the performance pack, so you've got that extra race mode, so you've got that extra performance. It's an absolute little cracker. It's one of the loveliest little cars we've had. 1.5 Eco Sport, 200 brake horsepower. As nice of a little car as I've seen for a long, long time. £15,990. Sports Miltek Exhaust, so you get that extra performance. And when I show you and I put it into race mode, you'll see the difference. But the colour and the roof and the wheels, it just looks fabulous. Now, this car will go online, just be quick with it, ring me, get it reserved. If my mobile's here, just ring me and do not miss it. Also, a big factor about little sporty performance cars is how they've been looked after now. This car, I've just had a little look. It's got matching Michelin tyres all the way around, all with probably 6 to 7 mil on. You've got them beautiful two-tone wheels, 18-inch. The paint colour, just zoom in, have a look at this colour. If you can see, it's a beautiful fleck in it. It's a great colour. You've then got them lovely running lights, LED lights. You've got the little mud flaps which set it off. It's just a great little looking car. Keyless, so we walk to it, it's keyless. And then as you can see, you've got the Ford Performance. Something else which I didn't even know, Bang & Olufsen sound system. Now, I didn't even know they put a Bang & Olufsen sound system in a Ford Fiesta, so that was a shock. The Recaro seats, which are unbelievable. They just set the car off. That lovely ST steering wheel. You've got the glass roof. You've then got the big screen with the reversing camera, the heated seats, the keyless start, the heated steering wheel. Then the sliding roof. The spec is unbelievable. What a great little car this is. It's got launch control, with it being a performance edition. You've got your DAB radio, which is all your touch screen with your Bluetooth. Again, reversing camera. It's got Park Pilot. What more do you want? Now, if I go into mode and put this car into racetrack mode or sport, listen to it. Sounds really, really good. So it's a fantastically, the best colour I've seen, the best spec I've seen, little Fiesta, 15990, great fun to drive, great spec, performance edition. What a little car that is. Now it's lit up, you can see all them lovely LED lights. It's as good of a little car as I've seen for a long, long time. It's hitting the website now, 15990. The payments, if you want a PCP on this car, are just ridiculous. You're probably £200 a month and you'd have a great car. Still got Ford warranty till 2022 as well. Just a little belter.